Hi, I'm Keo Beverly, MBA student at the Paul Morales School. So I was really intrigued by hearing that every day you receive a few tips, sometimes from people you've never had interactions with. As someone who's not employed in the investment industry and someone who's just starting to kind of begin their career with personal investment, I was wondering if you had any tips for a way to kind of broaden my network, to meet people who are investing, to kind of get more information and kind of bounce ideas off of people.
Well, yeah, I mean, I think one way you could do that is you could reach out to people with perhaps your write-up of your best idea and say, hey, if you find this of interest, uh, we could chat, etc., and take it from there. Yeah, I mean, I think that some ways to broaden the network might be to go to places where some of the like-minded folks hang out. So I don't know if you've been to the Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting uh, in Omaha. I would say that's a good place to go, and it'd be a good place to go and get early in line, because usually the people around you, or even in the airplane, I think most of the people will be heading there. Or uh, Professor Yang attends the Daily Journal meeting in February. Usually, that's another good place to go. That's local. So I'd say that there's a few places where the groupies hang out. There are some message boards, and I think some of the message boards also have people who meet up. I think there's one called the Corner of Berkshire and Fairfax is a message board, and so sometimes people on the message board will meet. And so yeah, I mean, I think that in this day and age, you've got a lot of digital tools at your disposal that can get you to some groups online, and then you can take that further from there. So.